Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change device name on your Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. By default, the Xiaomi smartphone's device name is the model name, which is displayed instead of the MAC address. For Bluetooth and Hotspot connection, for example, to help you assign the device more quickly, the device can be renamed as desired. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on your Xiaomi phone. On here, on your settings, you'll see there is an option about phone. You can tap on that. As you can see, here's my device name is the model name, still by default. You can tap on that, tap on device name. Here, you can change your device name. For the example, I will change to this. You can tap on the upper right corner checklist here. And now here's your new device name on your Xiaomi phone. And you can, if anytime you want to change that name again, you can just tap on the settings again. You can change your device name anytime without limit. If you want to change your device name like 3 times or more than that, you can do that anytime you want. So that is how to change your device name on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.